My name's Kerry and I'm from the UK, and I'm just about to have my surgery with Dr. Ahmet Dilber. I am so nervous but so excited as well because I completely trust my surgeon and I'm really looking forward to seeing the end result. So I came to Istanbul on my own to get surgery with Dr. Ahmet. I didn't know what to expect. I knew he was going to be a good surgeon. I trusted him very much. It's been such a great experience. The hotel staff have been amazing. The staff in the clinic have been even better. And my time at the hospital was amazing as well. I had a room all to myself. It was comfortable. The operation went really well. I had a lot of swelling, bruising for a few days, which I didn't expect. But 3 days after operation, and here I am. I'm able to get out and see the sights of Istanbul. So I'm so excited to get my cast off and see the results.